Continuing with a review of the Guyana Education Sector Plan 2014 to 2018, we look at the intermediate outcomes of the Education Sector Plan. And in the earlier video, I pointed out that each outcome, there are 6 outcomes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And each has a set of initiatives. Outcome 1 has 2 initiatives, outcome 2 has a number, can't recall. Outcome 3 has 5 initiatives. Outcome 4 has 12 initiatives. So we're going to look at the initiatives a bit closer. Let's look at the initiatives for outcome 4. I believe these graphics help you to better understand the concepts and the relationships and interrelationships of these initiatives and outcomes. For example, so what does outcome 4 refer to? Outcome 4 refers to the quality of teaching in schools. And there are 4 main initiatives and problems to solve the problems in that area. For example, the problem in that area involves varying quality of teaching in schools. Effects are additive and cumulative, quality of entrance, and quality of curriculum. I've said it before and I want to say it again because it's important that you realize that my analysis is based upon the education sector plan that was published and made available on the Ministry of Education's website, which I downloaded and analyzed. I wanted to make this presentation to the Commission of Inquiry, but unfortunately that opportunity didn't present itself. So I took the opportunity of doing it on YouTube. So, varying quality. What are the initiatives relating to that? 1. An effective teacher produces larger learning gains in mathematics than in reading. The second initiative, effects in differences in teaching quality appear to be additive and cumulative. In other words, what this is saying, as far as I understand, if the teaching quality varies, then the effects or the consequences would be additive, it would add on, it would be cumulative, it would mount up, it would stack up, it would pile up. So it's critically important to have good teaching quality as it relates to the core subjects, English, math, science, and social studies, I think. Quality of entrance. Teachers with better subject matter knowledge produce larger learning gains in their students. This is self-evident. So what are they doing about that? Training more teachers at certain parts of college and so on. The quality of the curriculum. The curriculum specifies the knowledge and skills that teachers are expected to teach and that students are expected to learn. So all these are elements that are part of the initiative related to outcome 4. We at Innovation Consultants can make a contribution there. Now let's look at the initiatives. Initiative 4.1, based on the education sector plan, improve the quality of teaching through sustaining and intensifying initial teacher trainings across all levels. Outcome 4, to achieve outcome 4. So the question is that done? Is that being done? What's the status of that? Initiative 4.2, establish Ministry of Education subject matter and pedagogic standards and measures of these standards to determine who enters teacher training and who is hired into teaching. I see there's a move to rehire past teachers, but are they taking into consideration these factors? Initiative 4.3, to offset shortages of qualified teachers in particular subjects, and certain expert consultants prepare lessons in various subjects, especially in science and mathematics. Well, based on the textbooks that are available on the website of the Ministry of Education, they have quite a lot of deficiencies, and in a subsequent video I'll show you exactly where those errors are. Initiative 4.4, set targets for increasing the number and subject specializations of teachers in remote hinterland and riverine schools, and expand incentives to attract more teachers. So the initiatives are there, they're identified in the education sector plan. Problem is, how well are these initiatives being implemented, and where is the monitoring report on the state of progress on these initiatives? My submission is, I respectfully submit that using pen and paper methodologies will not enable anyone to implement this program or monitor this program effectively. The Chief Education Officer and the Minister of Education should be able to go to their computer and at a click get a dashboard view of the status of implementation of these programs, but that's not possible today. Because of the recruitment policies and so on. So here are more initiatives for outcome number 4. Design a postgraduate program that prepares candidates for the position of a teacher. Now you can pause the video and look at these initiatives yourself. Take example, Initiative 4.7.1, improve the quality of mathematics teaching at all levels based on item analysis of the mathematics results for examinations and assessments that reveal student failures. So there you have it. In subsequent video we'll continue with this analysis. Why I'm doing this? So that persons, teachers anywhere in the country can have access to a review of the education sector plan. The Guyana Teachers Union, they could access these videos to see what it is and the different elements that make up the education sector.